to wrap up, I just wanted to say a quick thank you to all of the students who took this course. Thank you for bearing with me. I had a lot of fun creating it, and I just hope that everyone got something out of it, big or small. I think there's a little bit of everything for everyone at each of the different skill levels when it comes to trading and when it comes to Python programming. So again, I hope everybody was able to get something out of this. I apologize for any text edits or inconsistencies. I tried to clean up as much as possible, but I'm sure some things have escaped. Again, I hope everybody got something out of this, and please feel free to reach out to me with questions, concerns, new requests on things that could be better so I can make this better in the future. I've got my email listed here for anybody that wants to reach out, and I'll try to get back to you in as timely manner as possible. And lastly, please go out and I hope you can use this to create your own strategies, and you feel comfortable now going out and programming them and making your own assistant rather than having to rely on tools that may not meet your needs. So again, thanks, and stay tuned if you enjoyed this for additional courses in the future.